My video guide will help you to remove the ransomware called RavenCoin. RavenCoin. This is the ransomware type threat currently attacking many Windows computers. The ransomware encrypts the files that people store on their computers. So before the ransomware attack, people can open their files without problems. They can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, and other documentation. But because of certain vulnerabilities in the security system, the ransomware called RavenCoin may be injected into the system, and then people realize that they cannot open their files anymore. The ransomware encrypts the files and they are no longer available. People try to open their data, but they cannot open the files anymore. So the ransomware has the purpose of encrypting these files and then demanding the special ransom to be paid for the file restoration. This is that scary message that the ransomware gives its victims. It says that the victim needs to pay the amount of 0.03 Bitcoin. But paying the ransom does not guarantee the file recovery, of course. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware, and we suggest you to do it with the help of Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. To download it, you'll need to access your system drive, go to Program Files, start Internet Explorer browser, then download Combo Cleaner Antivirus through the official website combocleaner.com. Go to this particular page, download Combo Cleaner. After it is downloaded, you'll need to install the program. If you don't see the desktop icon of Combo Cleaner on your desktop, access Files Explorer again, go to the system drive, Program Files, choose Combo Cleaner folder. So you need to start Combo Cleaner directly through this folder, and Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this ransomware, remove it effectively, and protect your files from being damaged in the future. After you start the program, the software will first check for updates. And this is important, not to cancel this checking for updates, because this ransomware needs to be effectively detected. For this purpose, Combo Cleaner needs to be properly updated. The latest version of Combo Cleaner can remove this ransomware called RavenCoin. Now, after the antivirus database is successfully updated, you will need to begin the research of your computer. Combo Cleaner, of course, is initially in the trial mode, but it has got certain absolutely free features that may help you to boost up the performance of your system. Especially the good thing is that Combo Cleaner is also available for both Windows and Mac computers. But to enjoy the features of Combo Cleaner fully, you will need to upgrade to the premium version of the application. You may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. There are some features like scheduled scan, quarantine, whitelist, but most importantly, there is a feature called anti-ransomware. You may add a certain folder that will store the data that will be protected by Combo Cleaner, which is a very good thing. This way you will be able to protect all your files from being encrypted and damaged in the future. So you will need to select a special folder by clicking on Add Folder. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So after the antivirus database is successfully updated, you will need to select your preferred scan type, By the way, the trial mode only gives the quick scan feature. And the scanning will take, I would say, at least several minutes. Then at the end of scanning, you will see the summary of all threats. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting this particular ransomware and other ransomware type threats, and it will also help you to clean your browser from all sorts of adware, malware, or browser hijackers or other threats. So after the scanning is completed, you'll see the summary of threats, and you'll be able to remove them either manually or automatically, but with the premium version of the software.